In the last video, I showed you how to download the Excel file and upload it to StatCrunch. And in this video, I'm going to cover the bottom 3 bullet points here. Now that we have our data in StatCrunch, we're going to create a histogram, download the output window, and then store it in our stat class folder on Canvas. So go to your StatCrunch window where you have the data already filled in. Again, if this is empty, you need to go back and add your data to StatCrunch and watch the video posted before this in the discussion board. Now that our data is in here, we are going to make a graph called a histogram. So we'll go to Graph and then select Histogram. A window will open up where we're asked to select what type of data is it that we want to make the histogram with, and there's only one column of data here, so it makes it pretty easy. We click on Age. Later in the course, you're going to have multiple variables listed here, so you'll need to pick the one that is most appropriate depending on what type of data we should be looking at. You can ignore all of this information down here for now and just scroll down to the bottom and click on Compute. And there you have a histogram. It's that easy. So then we want to download this image and save it to our stats class folder on Canvas. So we go to Options and we go to Download. Here you want to give the file a name so that way you'll be able to find it easily and recognize it on your computer. So I'm just going to say it's the mod for histogram. And I'm going to call it histogram 1 because in this discussion board you're going to be making a second histogram. So I click OK. And again, I see that it downloads to my bottom toolbar here. Now, again, just like in the last video, if it doesn't show up there, it's in your downloads folder on your computer. So be sure to look for it there if you don't see it along the bottom. Okay, let's go back to Canvas because we need to add this to our folder on Canvas. So you're going to go to the icon at the top where it says Your Account and open this up. And in here, you'll click on Files. Now, I happen to have a lot of files, but you guys probably don't have very many files in your Canvas account. And if this is the first time that you're using StatCrunch on Canvas, then we're going to create a file to store all of your StatCrunch information. So under My Files, click on My Files, and then click Add Folder. Let's call it Stats Class. And click the little check mark. Then let's open that folder by clicking on it from the list. And right now there's nothing in there, but we're going to upload the histogram that we just downloaded from StatCrunch. Again, you can either drag and drop it here, or you can click on Choose Files and find the file in your Downloads folder. I'm going to drag and drop it. And that's it. My image is now in Canvas, and so later I'm going to embed the image in my post in the discussion board, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment.